Your bank is not your friend. Every single month, they are quietly taking money out of your pocket, and most people never even notice. Today, I'm exposing 7 things your bank hopes you never find out, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop them. Welcome back, the channel where we talk about money the way nobody else does. If you're new here, hit subscribe, because what we cover on this channel will genuinely save you thousands of dollars. Let's expose your bank's secret number 1, the monthly maintenance fee trap. Right now in 2026, traditional banks are quietly reintroducing and raising maintenance fees, many now requiring $250 to $500 minimum daily balances just to avoid monthly charges. Miss that balance by even $1 for one day? Fee applied, automatically, without warning. Americans paid nearly $82 billion in bank fees in 2024, about $311 per adult. That's your money, going straight into their pocket, secret number 2. And this one is scary. The right of offset rule allows banks to take money directly from your checking or savings account to pay off a different debt you have with the same bank. So if you have a loan and a checking account at the same bank and you miss a payment, they can legally take money straight from your checking account without asking you first. Did your bank ever tell you that? Probably not. Secret number 3, ATM fees are double charging you. When you use an out-of-network ATM, you pay your own bank's fee plus the ATM owner's surcharge, 2 separate charges for one simple withdrawal. Most people think they're paying $3. They're actually paying $6 or more every single time. Multiply that by every month for a year, that is hundreds of dollars gone. Secret number 4, the overdraft snowball. Some banks charge an extra fee if your account stays negative for a set number of days, turning one mistake into a snowball of charges. One small overdraft becomes 2 fees, then 3. Then your account is $150 negative just from fees alone. This is not an accident. This is a business model. Secret number 5, they charge you just to send you your own account information. Monthly paper statement fees run between $2 and $5 per month, and regulators have flagged cases where banks charge these fees even when they didn't actually print or mail the statements. They charge you for a service they didn't even provide. And here's the best part. Many of these fees are refundable if you simply ask. Secret number 6, the biggest one of all. Your bank takes your money, invests it, makes billions of dollars and profit from it. And what do they give you in return? A 0.01% interest rate on your savings account. Meanwhile, high-yield savings accounts at online banks are paying 4% to 5% right now. Research shows that bank customers pay more than double what credit union members pay in annual checking account fees. Your bank is getting rich off your money while giving you almost nothing back. So here's what you do starting today. Number 1, audit your last 3 months of bank statements. Find every fee they charged you. Number 2, call your bank and ask for refunds on any fees you didn't understand. They will often say yes. Number 3, seriously consider switching to an online bank or credit union. No fees, better rates, same security. Your bank has been winning this game for years because you didn't know the rules. Now you do. If this video opened your eyes, share it with someone whose bank is stealing from them right now. Subscribe for more videos that put money back in your pocket. I'll see you in the next one.